About to make Thai green curry.
Vinny's over there playing in the distance.
Generous plop of coconut oil. Tripping over stuff. Then we've just got some leek and spring onions that we just left in the fridge, so I'm going to use those. I've had this wood's not the best, but we're going now. Alright, let that go for a bit, and we'll add some garlic. Oop. Guess that's what you'd call a healthy serve of garlic. Might be a bit much, but you know, just get a little bit out. It might be a bit strong. Anyway, that's good. Now we're just going to use Thai green chili paste, already made. So I just put in about half a jar. Hopefully that'll be enough. You can always add a bit more later if you need to. Here we have about probably 500 grams of just diced boned out chicken. Simmering away nicely there on medium to high heat. A couple of bush rooks coming in on the prow. Careful rooks, you'll end up being the next Thai green curry. Stir. Quite as hot as I'd like, so I'm going to drop it down a little bit. Bit of camera there. Let camera work. There we go. Alright, it's starting to look good. It's got some leftover flatbreads. I've just put some butter in between them, wrapped them up, set them next to the fire just to warm them up. Careful, Bubby, it's hot. Come here. Okay, chicken's browned off nicely. Just going to add almost a whole can of coconut cream. I'm just going to keep a little bit of cream just to go in with the rice. Alright, here we've got some zucchini and some spring onions. Vinny's stoking the fire. All of that bubbling away nicely. Here we've got the rice, a bit of coconut cream. See how this goes.
I don't know how to make rice without a rice cooker.
Vinny's running off to play with his friends. Just got a half a capsicum. Put these. The lid on, put it across to the side to simmer. Just there. And then we've got the rice with water, a bit of coconut cream. We'll put it up here to boil. Bamboo shoots drained. In they go. Water chestnuts drained. Go. Alright, let's give it a stir. Oh, it's looking good. I've had the rice up there for a bit longer, simmering once it boiled. It's looking good. The curry is looking pretty delish. The bread's there. We'll start by taking this in. Rice. He's getting wild over there, ready for some food. Yum yum.
Wow. Can cook rice on a fire.
Alright, Thai green curry with coconut rice. and buttered roti breads.
It looks amazing. You've done so well.
Woohoo!
You've done well.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yum!